Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Welcome to Grateful Learner. My name is Deepak Kumar. Today is our topic is theodolite surveying. आज बेसिकली हम पढ़ने वाले हैं थियोडोलाइट सर्वेइंग के बारे में। तो चलिए चलते हैं स्क्रीन पे और पढ़ते हैं डिटेल में थियोडोलाइट सर्वेइंग के बारे में। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो what is theodolite surveying? Basically, theodolite surveying is a crucial technique used in civil engineering and constructions projects. It involves the use of a specialized instrument called a theodolite. Basically, हम थियोडोलाइट सर्वेइंग के क्रूशियल यूजेस के लिए उसका यूज करते हैं एक सिविल इंजीनियरिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट्स में। जो एक स्पेशलाइज्ड इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है उसको बोलते हैं थियोडोलाइट। एंड एक्यूरेटली मेजर्स, ये क्या मेजर्स करते हैं? एंगल्स और डिस्टेंसेस को, जहां से हमें फाइन ट्यून करना रहता है। ठीक है। इनेबल प्राइसेस मैपिंग एंड प्लानिंग ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिल्डिंग्स एंड लैंडस्केप ऑल्सो। ये काम होता है थियोडोलाइट सर्वे का, थियोडोलाइट सर्वेइंग का। ओके। प्रिंसिपल ऑफ थियोडोलाइट मेजरमेंट। प्रिंसिपल ऑफ थियोडोलाइट मेजरमेंट क्या क्या होते हैं? 3 होते हैं: एंगल्स मेजरमेंट, डिस्टेंस मेजरमेंट, elevation tracking. And the first one is angle measurement. Theodolite used a rotating telescope and horizontal and vertical circles to precisely measures horizontal and vertical angles essential for mapping terrains and design layouts. इसका बेसिकली हमारा एंगल मेजरमेंट का ये रोल होता है। द सेकेंड वन इज डिस्टेंस मेजरमेंट। बेसिकली डिस्टेंस मेजरमेंट का क्या रोल होता है? द बाय इन क्रॉपिंग डिस्टेंसेस मेजरिंग कैपेबिलिटीज, and the theodolite can also determine the precise length between 2 points, the survey and the volume calculation. We have found distance measurement. ठीक है। There are the 3 principles, and the first one is angular measurement, and the second one is distance measurement, and the third one is elevation tracking. Elevation tracking किस तरीके से करता है theodolite? The vertical circle of a theodolite allows for the precise measurement of elevation changes, crucial for understanding site topography and designing drainage system also. Here are the principle of theodolite measurement. Now the next one is angles of theodolite surveying in civil engineering. What is the application of theodolite surveying in civil engineering? There are 4: infrastructure planning, building construction, geospatial mapping, and the quantity surveying. The first one is infrastructure planning. Theodolite surveying is essential for mapping design roads, railways, pipelines, and other large-scale infrastructure projects. These are the infrastructure planning, the theodolite surveying in civil engineering point of view. Now, the building construction theodolite are used to precisely lay out buildings of foundation, measure site elevation, and ensure proper alignment of the structure. These are the building construction. And the third one is geospatial mapping. And the theodolite data is used to create detailed topographic maps, essential for urban planning, environmental assessments, and natural resource management. There are spatial mapping and the quantity surveying. Theodolite measurements help quantity surveyors accurately estimate material requirements, projects cost, and the construction progress. There are 4 application of theodolite surveying in civil engineering, infrastructure planning, in the building construction, then the geospatial mapping, and the quantity surveying. Now the next one is advantage of theodolite surveying. What is the advantage of theodolite surveying? And the precision, versatility, and efficiency, and the durability. And the theodolite surveying provide highly accurate angular and distance measurements essential for complex engineering projects. Basically, precision का use होता है. Versatility, theodolites can be used in wide range of application from construction to mining and land development. Basically, versatility के लिए advantages का होता है. And efficiency की बात करें तो theodolite surveying is in a fast and efficient method allowing for rapid data and a collection on the side decision makings. These are the durability. Durability. What is the durability? Basically, durability. Modern theodolites are rugged and designed to withstand the harsh conditions often encountered in the field work. There are 4 advantages of surveying: precision, versatility, efficiency, and durability. And the next one is theodolite instrument components and facility. Telescope, crucial level, horizontal circle, and the vertical circle. Basically, telescope provide a clear magnified view of the target for precise angle and distance measurement, and the crucial levels basically ensure that light is leveled and oriented correctly at the accurate sorting. And the horizontal circles measured horizontal angles essential for mapping and layout works of surveying of construction and the civil engineering. And the vertical circle basically measure vertical angles enabling elevation and slope calculation. There are 4 theodolite instrument components and functionality. basically telescope, circular level, and the horizontal and the vertical level. Now the next one is theodolite surveying technique as a procedure. What is the procedure? First of all, setup is like we have used the theodolite and the tripod we have set up, and the put her down and the locate a point which we have find the which have find the both of the sensor which will angle. Okay, angle and distance and slopes also, and the carefully level orient the theodolite over a specific survey point, and the sighting use the telescope to precisely sight and log on the target point, and the measurement record the horizontal and vertical angle readings from the theodolite circles. Reading from the theodolite circle. There are theodolite surveying techniques and procedures also. Measurements record the horizontal and the vertical angle readings from the theodolite circles, and the documentation very basically carefully log all measurements of observation from letters, analysis, and the mappings. Now the next one is accuracy and precision in theodolite measurements. What are the accuracy, precision in theodolite measurement? Basically, factors affecting accuracy, best price for precision, environmental condition, that temperature, humidity, proper instrument calibration, and the maintenance, and the observer experience, and the techniques, and the carefully citing data procedure. There are accuracy and precision in theodolite measurement, and the site objects of obstructions and visibility, and the repeat measurement, and statical analysis. There are the question precision in theodolite measurements. Now the next one is challenging and best practice in theodolite surveillance, basically environmental factors or better trainings, and the data management and technological advancement. Then the surveyor must account for the impact of weather, terrain, and the site condition on theodolite measurements, and the operator training. Basically, proper training and experience are essential for effectively using theodolites and interpreting survey data. There are operator training and the data management. Basically, careful documentation and data organization and crucial for ensuring the इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ सर्वे रिजल्ट्स. देयर आर डाटा मैनेजमेंट. बेसिकली जब हम फाइन ट्यून करेंगे सर्वे, तो ये चीजें हमें पता होनी चाहिए कि इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर कैसा है. जहाँ पे हम फाइन ट्यून कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे हम सर्वे कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे हमें बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट करने हैं, आगे हमें प्लानिंग्स करने हैं, प्रोजेक्ट्स करने हैं, ऑपरेटर ट्रेनिंग के लिए क्या क्या हो सकती है. डाटा मैनेजमेंट मतलब फाइन ट्यून कर रहे हैं, लोकेट कर रहे हैं, डिस्टेंसेस फाइन ट्यून कर रहे हैं, एंगल्स पता कर रहे हैं कि लाइक लेवल्स में होना चाहिए, अप एंड डाउन नहीं होना चाहिए. तो डाटा मैनेजमेंट होना चाहिए. और टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांसमेंट्स में आपका क्या क्या हो सकता है. न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी सच एज डिजिटल थियोडोलाइट्स एंड जीपीएस इंटीग्रेशन. जीपीएस का भी हम यूज करेंगे इमेजिनिंग के लिए, डिस्टेंस मैपिंग के लिए, एंड improve efficiency and accuracy. Now thank you so much. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe, and okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.
आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. इस वीडियो से आपको बहुत अच्छे हेल्प मिले होंगे. तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और एक अच्छा सा कमेंट करें. धन्यवाद.